If you are planning to get married in Marietta, Smyrna, Kennesaw, Ackworth, or anywhere in Cobb County, you need to apply for your marriage license through the Cobb County Probate Court, but you absolutely do not need to pay the full local application price. Hi, I'm Kristen Franson, Clinical Director at Cadenza Counseling. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact Cobb County process, what documents you need to bring to the court, and a legal loophole to save $40 on your application fee. First, let's look at the specific local cost. The standard fee for a marriage license at the Cobb County Probate Court is $56. However, under Georgia state law, if you complete a qualifying 6-hour premarital education program, like the official course we offer at Cadenza Counseling, the county is legally required to reduce your fee by $40. That brings your total cost at the courthouse down to just $16. To claim this $40 discount, you simply need to take our state-approved online course. At Cadenza Counseling, our official Georgia-qualified premarital education program meets the 6-hour state requirement, but it is completely self-paced and 100% online. You can access it from your phone or laptop, pause whenever you need, and pick it right back up. Best of all, our course is only $17.49. Once you finish, we professionally notarize your official certificate and mail it directly to your door so it is perfectly ready for the courthouse. When you are ready to apply, both you and your partner must appear together in person. You will head over to the Cobb County Probate Court located at 32 Waddell Street in Marietta. Hand the clerk the official notarized Cadenza counseling certificate we mailed you, along with valid government-issued photo IDs, like a driver's license or passport. If either of you were previously married, Georgia requires you to bring a certified copy of your final divorce decree or proof of death. They will verify your documents, apply your $40 discount, and issue your active license right there. To claim your $40 Cobb County discount, click the link in the description below to register for our official Georgia premarital course. You can finish it at your own pace, and we will notarize and mail your certificate out to you. If you have any questions about the Marietta or Cobb County marriage license process, let me know in the comments below. Congratulations on your wedding.